Hello everyone! In our previous encounter, we caught a glimpse of real-life images showcasing the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra in a captivating titanium finish. Now, we're thrilled to present official renders of the entire Samsung S24 series, and let me tell you, they are breathtaking. Unfortunately, due to potential copyright concerns from Samsung, we won't be displaying the renders directly. Instead, I've crafted some realistic images based on the official designs, providing you with an exclusive preview. The S24 and S24 Plus boast impressive display sizes of 6.2 inches and 6.7 inches, respectively. What's truly exciting is the S24 Plus featuring a Quad HD Plus resolution powered by cutting-edge Gen 3 silicon and backed by a formidable 4,900 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. With these stellar specifications, the S24 series is gearing up for fierce competition against rivals like the iPhone 15, Xiaomi 14 Pro, and the OnePlus 12. Now, diving into specifics, the regular S24 is expected to feature the Exynos 2400 Silicon, a slightly smaller 4,000 mAh battery, and 25W fast charging. If you're looking to maximize performance and features, the S24 Plus emerges as the top choice. It's poised to be the ultimate Pro Max killer. The Samsung S24 Ultra takes the spotlight with 4 striking color options: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. The titanium gray, reminiscent of the natural titanium of the iPhone 15 Pro, stands out as a personal favorite. The overall design and camera placement maintain the rectangular boxy form factor from the S23 Ultra, showcasing a timeless aesthetic. Notable changes include a flat and symmetrical front, with minimal bezels, delivering a sleek and modern appearance. The selfie hole is also noticeably smaller than its predecessor, contributing to a fantastic overall look. As for specifications, the Samsung S24 Ultra boasts a 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 200MP main camera, fast storage, latest Wi-Fi capabilities, 12 GB of RAM, and a substantial 5,000 mAh battery with One UI 6.1. This device truly represents the pinnacle of Samsung's technological prowess. In a surprising twist, Samsung labels the S24 Ultra as an AI phone, harnessing the power of generative AI to enhance photos and videos, facilitate real-time message translation, and potentially introduce advanced image search features. Thank you all for joining us on this exciting journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, peace out.